Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the world of recreational vehicles, the 2026 Newell Premium Motorcoach is the pinnacle of luxury and custom engineering. It demonstrates how luxurious home design and state-of-the-art vehicle technology may coexist together. This vehicle is not just a motorhome. It is a mobile estate that has been painstakingly designed to satisfy even the most discriminating customers. The engineering prowess and architectural splendor of the 2026 Newell Premium Motorcoach set it apart. Its exterior is a harmonious blend of elegant design and precise aerodynamics. A superstructure that maximizes comfort and space is supported by the chassis, a marvel of structural stability. The coach's outlines are carefully designed to reduce wind resistance, guaranteeing a comfortable and fuel-efficient ride. Structural robustness. The frame and chassis are made of materials with a high strength, which offers remarkable stability and longevity. The coach's design seamlessly incorporates cutting-edge water management, climate control, and power generation systems. Interior luxuriance and advanced technology. The 2026 Newell Premium Motorcoach's interior is a haven of luxury and advanced technology. From the expertly made cabinets to the cutting-edge entertainment systems, every element is intended to create an unmatched quality of life. Important characteristics include bespoke design. Every coach is made to order to suit the unique preferences and tastes of its owner. Premium materials. The interior is decorated with the best materials, such as valuable metals, exotic woods, and opulent leathers. Smart home integration, lighting, climate, entertainment, and security systems may all be easily controlled thanks to advanced smart home technology. As elegant as its inside, the 2026 Newell Premium Motorcoach is designed to provide a driving experience. Important characteristics include strong powertrain. Easy power and seamless acceleration are provided by a high-performance engine and a cutting-edge transmission. Advanced suspension. Even on the roughest roads, a comfortable and seamless ride is guaranteed with an advanced air suspension system. Intuitive controls. The driver has intuitive control over all vehicle functions thanks to the cockpit's design. At the top of the recreational vehicle market, the 2026 Newell Premium Motorcoach serves a select customer base that expects nothing less than the best. Important things to think about are ultra-high-end segment. With a price tag commensurate with its outstanding quality and craftsmanship, this motorcoach is the epitome of luxury. Personalization and customization. Newell specializes in building custom motorcoaches that let buyers customize every element of their car. Unmatched service and support. Newell guarantees a smooth and joyful ownership experience by offering its clients unmatched service and support. The 2026 Newell Premium Motorcoach is essentially a mobile masterpiece that exemplifies the art of custom engineering and opulent living.